Jocelyn. Jocelyn. Arrrr. 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 You gonna talk to Mommy? Arrrr. Go ahead, say it. Say it. Say what you're trying to say. Arrrr. Jocelyn. Arrrr. Oh, beautiful girl. Arrrr. Arrrr. Oh, you said it. Are you saying yogurt? Arrrr. Say it again. Say yogurt. Your first word, yogurt. Say yogurt, beautiful. Arrrr. Arrrr. Oh, now you're saying stretch. Now you say stretch. What else we gotta say? Arrrr. Yeah? What else happened? What else happened? Huh? Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Arrrr. Arrrr. Yeah? Arrrr. Arrrr. Tell me. Tell me that cuckoo. Arrrr. Arrrr. You're not gonna say it? Oh, you're being sneaky, huh? No, you don't want to talk? You don't want to talk today? What? What do you want to say? It won't come out, huh? Oh, it won't come out. Oh, no. Uh-oh, now she's hungry and she won't talk. She won't talk because she's starving. Starving to put something in my mouth. Ah, see, there's the tongue. So put something in my mouth. You're not even going to say Mommy. Say Mommy. Say Mommy. If you can say yogurt, you can say Mommy. No, Daddy? Say Daddy? No, I just want to eat. I just want to eat. Oh, that was a spit bubble. I saw it, a spit bubble right there in the mouth. And look at the crazy hair today. Ooh, crazy hair. Crazy hair. Oh, don't pinch your face. Jocelyn. Okay, well, let's eat. Okay, I'm sorry.